Preparation of tooth-colored restorations is a standard procedure in most dental offices. The procedure includes complex applications of different materials, such as adhesives, a flowable composite used as a liner in order to improve cavity adaptation, and finally, a universal or posterior composite. Proper placement of a posterior restoration is a complex procedure that introduces many clinical challenges, including complex layering, a tedious and time-consuming process, adaptation of the composite in the cavity, especially where undercuts are present, and polymerization stress, the force that builds up at the tooth interface, especially in large cavities, induced by light curing. Dentists are looking, therefore, for a simpler and more efficient solution to overcome these challenges. Dentsply is proud to introduce SDR Smart Dentin Replacement, a new composite material to replace dentin in Class 1 and 2 restorations in a new and efficient way. This module will explain the science behind this remarkable product and show how SDR Composite allows you to bulk fill posterior restorations in less time than ever before by significantly reducing polymerization curing stress. SDR, which stands for Smart Dentin Replacement, is a one-of-a-kind smart dentin replacement material that can be placed in 4 mm increments and cured in only 20 seconds. Its unique formulation allows for simple bulk placement with flow-like consistency, resulting in excellent cavity adaptation, making complex layering procedures for posteriors simpler and more efficient. Its greater bulk fill capacity, up to 4 mm increments, saves time and effort by simplifying posterior composite procedures. Compared to other materials used for the restoration of posteriors, SDR is clinically proven to reduce polymerization stress by up to 60% as it cures. It provides excellent adaptation to cavity walls and less postoperative sensitivity for the patient. SDR offers the clinician a new technique, the SDR filling technique. It combines bulk filling and self-leveling of the material for excellent cavity adaptation and less stress. SDR does more than just reduce stress during the polymerization process. The material is the first composite with flow-like consistency to offer bulk application for dentin replacement, thereby reducing the number of layering steps required for posterior composite restorations. It delivers excellent adaptation to cavity walls and minimal internal gap formation, and its simple placement technique with self-leveling handling eliminates steps before curing. SDR delivers a 90-second work time and 20-second cure time. It offers maximum flexibility by allowing clinicians to continue using their conventional methacrylate-based adhesive and universal composite to cap the restoration to provide the desired strength, aesthetics, and wear resistance for occlusal surfaces. SDR provides the SDR filling technique with placement of increments of up to 4 mm and self-leveling handling to allow simple and efficient placement. Plus, it provides chemical compatibility to methacrylate-based adhesives and composites to allow a simple learning curve. The convenient unit dose delivery facilitates ease of placement, and the single universal shade simplifies ordering and reduces inventory. SDR helps make your conventional procedure for posterior restoration simpler and more efficient. Research has shown that high curing polymerization stress is a relevant contributor to clinical symptoms such as cusp deflection, enamel fracture, and postoperative sensitivity. In fact, the internal stress generated within the composite during polymerization is considered more important than the actual shrinkage within the cavity preparation because this stress may linger and/or be readily transferred to any bonded surface. The effects of this stress, such as tooth composite interfacial debonding, cuspal deflection, and enamel cracking, are frequently implicated as primary reasons for the failure of posterior restorations. In addition, the polymerization stress produced by dental composite materials during light curing is a leading reason for bond failures in adhesive restorations, resulting in postoperative sensitivity, marginal staining, and recurrent caries. How does SDR produce lower polymerization stress? SDR technology has a unique chemical structure which modifies the polymerizing and cross-linking process during curing to form an optimized polymer network structure with reduced internal stress. In fact, this translates to 60% less stress than conventional resins and without sacrificing a fast cure time of 20 seconds. For years, dentists have optimized their procedure for posterior composite restorations by using a flowable composite to improve the cavity adaptation in difficult situations, followed by complex layering of the universal composite to control the resulting polymerization stress. With SDR, you can enjoy excellent cavity adaptation in less time and with significantly lower shrinkage stress. SDR's unique resin matrix reduces polymerization stress up to 60%, and it is the only composite material that allows you to bulk fill a base up to 4 millimeters. It also offers maximum flexibility by allowing your continued usage of conventional methacrylate-based adhesive and universal composite to cap the restoration to provide the desired strength, aesthetics, and wear resistance for occlusal surfaces. If you're tired of having to incrementally place composites in posterior restorations, SDR will save you time and improve the strength of your restorations. For great efficacy and a streamlined procedure in one easy-to-use posterior dentin replacement material, choose new SDR composite from Dentsply.